In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to a Google Calendar event in Chrome. To get started, open Google Calendar in the Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the calendar view where you can clearly see your schedule and the event you want to update. This could be a day view, a week view, or another timeline style layout as long as the event block is visible on the screen. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct calendar and on the correct date can help prevent editing the wrong event by mistake. Once Google Calendar is open, look for the specific date and time block entry where you want to invite your associates. In the timeline area, find the event that matches the meeting or appointment you want to update. Then click directly on that event block. This opens the event details layer, which is the small panel or pop-up that appears over the calendar. If your event title is short or the time slot is narrow, you may need to click carefully in the center of the block so the correct entry opens. After the event details layer appears, focus your attention on the area used for adding attendees. Within this panel, locate the input text box that shows the placeholder text "Add Guests." This is the field where guests can be entered for the event. Depending on your screen size or calendar layout, it may appear along the side of the event details or within the main body of the pop-up. If needed, pause for a second and scan the panel carefully so you can identify the correct field before moving on. When you find the Add Guests box, you're in the right place to begin inviting the people who should attend the event. This field is specifically designed for adding participants, so it's an important part of managing meeting invitations in Google Calendar. If the event details panel looks compact, keep in mind that the guest field may still be visible, but placed slightly lower or off to one side within the pop-up layout. That's all you need for this part of the process. You've opened Google Calendar in Chrome, selected the correct event from the timeline, and located the Add Guests field where invitations can be managed. Following these steps carefully helps ensure you're editing the right calendar entry and preparing it correctly for collaboration.